Shy little frog singing along to this fun tune. Shy little frog is singing along to this fun tune. Shy little frog is singing along to this fun tune. Shy little frog is singing along to this fun tune. Hiding by the pond beneath the light of the pale moon, dreams of a world beyond the reeds, a place to roam. But the water's edge feels just like home. Oh, little frog, let your voice be free. Sing to the stars, tell your melody. Though the world feels big and you're so small, your song can echo through it all. Tiny green feet dancing on lily pads so bright, ripples in the water, reflections of the starlight. A timid leap, but a heart so bold, in your simple life treasures unfold. Oh, little frog, let your voice be free. Sing to the stars, tell your melody. Though the world feels big and you're so small, your song can echo through it all. The crickets join in harmony, the fireflies glow near, the whispers of the willow trees, a symphony you hear. You're not just a shy little frog by the stream. You're shy little frog, the moon is fading, the night is done, but your melody lingers with the rising sun. The world's much bigger than the pond you see, yet somehow here you're truly free.